Hello children, I am Sagarika madam going to teach you SST Standard 4 Chapter 5 Motions of the Earth. All the planets in the solar system move around the sun in their own axis. Like other planets, our Earth also rotates on its axis and revolves around the sun. The earth is believed to be laying on the imaginary surface or plane called orbital plane. Here or in your book you can see page number 28. Here you can see the sun and earth, and this is the rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution of the earth. Okay, from your book also page number 28 you can see very nicely clearly. Second one, we are going to see the concept of axis. What is the concept of axis? Axis refer to the imaginary line on which planet rotates. Okay, axis. What is the axis? The axis is refer to the imaginary line. That line you can just you open your book to page number 28. Then picture is there. Here one north pole, then down you can see the south pole. There was a line. There is a line. That line is called Earth's axis. The Earth rotational axis is an imaginary straight line that runs through the north and south pole. It starts from north pole 90 degree north to south pole 90 degree south. The Earth has been orbiting the sun at a slant. This slant is called axial tilt. Okay, the angle at which Earth is tilt is known as inclination of Earth axis, and the axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree from the vertical. 23.5 degree vertical. That picture you just see, you can see from here the 23.5 degree. Then next, rotation of the earth. Children, you know rotation is the spinning of the earth on its axis from west to east once in about 24 hours. And you know rotation causes the earth cover how many? That 40,000 kilometers. The earth rotation about 24 hour consider as one day, means rotation cause the day, and the rotation is also called daily motion of the earth. Then second one is effects of rotation. Effects of rotation. The phenomena of day and night. We learn rotation of the earth. Rotation what? Rotation cause 24 hours. No. Then how day and night causes. The day and night were caused by the rotation of the earth. The imaginary line that separate the lightened portion of the earth from the dark portion of the earth. Here page number 29 you can see there is a picture. Rotation of the axis. Day and night are not sudden a process, but it is slowly happened. We know no early in the morning when we get up, what is that? Are you notice this one? That the darkness of the night gradually faded away with the breakdown. No, that when early in the morning you will get up, you can see that little that darkness will be there, and the sun does not appear on horizon, but its faint light started appearing after the dawn. The sunrise take place in the east. That then we can see the day. Then with the passage of the time, sun move ahead and reaches on the top of the sky. This period is known as noon. This period is called noon. Soon the sun slowly disappeared from the horizon, which is called the sunset. And after the noon, we know that slowly it is going to set down. And after the sunset, the period of the faint light, this is called the twilight, and slowly after become the fully dark, and this period is known as night. After that earth that changes its position and not the sun.